how to make money on Upwork as a business plan writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you'll proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. Then click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in into my account because I've already created an account in the platform. And here password and login. Then you will proceed to setting up your profile. So here create your profile. And here you enter the usual information, date of birth, country, address, but let's come back to this step later because this is the last step of setting up the profile. So let's go back to start from the first steps. So here, let's get started. This is the first step, and here we have some questions, some answers, and we have a question. So make sure to choose the answer that fits your situation. And then next, same thing with this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits your situation. And then next. And here we have 3 options to choose from. Make sure to choose all of them. They are all helpful. Then click on next to create a profile. And here we have other 3 options to choose from. You either if you want to import from LinkedIn, or if you want to upload your resume, if you have it in a file in your desktop, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with filling it out manually. Start a new profile. And here let's enter our skill, business plan writer. Click on next to add your experience. And here click on the plus button to add a previous work experience. And then you proceed to add in your education history in here. And when you're done with that, click to go to add in the languages. So as you can see, the English is a must in the platform. You cannot work in here without knowing how to write or speak in English. And here my level in English is conversational. Then you can add more languages if you can speak and write in them. So for me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is Arabic, which is my native language. And the third is French, which is the language I studied in school. So here native and basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So the maximum is 15 skills, so you can add up to that. So let's go with business plan first, then business. And let's see if we can find another skill. Let's go with business to see what we can find. Business change, coaching, consulting, editing. Not business illustration. Here business, let's see what we can find. Business innovation, editing, business continuity plan. And I think that's enough. Then click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. And you can just go to ChatGPT, guys, and enter I'm a business plan writer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very legit bio. You will just need to add some personal information and make sure to verify that bio, and then you can just copy and paste it in here. And for me, I'm going to take Marty's bio. If I went to ChatGPT, that will make the video too long. So I'm just going to copy this bio, then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service, or you can just choose the suggested services for you, which is professional and business writing. Then click on next to set your rate. So here let's go with 12, or let's go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can fill the usual information, and after that you can upload your photo, but just make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, you can just click on review your profile and complete the steps. And this is how you're going to improve this profile of yours to get more clients. So basically the idea is that we're going to look for the people that are doing the same skill like ours and see what are they doing differently than us. Look for the highest earner amongst our competitors and get inspiration from his profile, see what is he doing differently than us. So for example, let's look for the highest earner amongst these people. So this one earned more than 10,000, more than 10 grand. This one earned 9,000, 70, more than 70 grand, more than 50. I think more than 70 grand is the highest earner. 40, 80, another one, which is the highest earner so far, more than 100. So this is the highest earner in this category. So we'll just need to spy on his profile, get inspiration, see what is he talking about, how much is he getting paid, and all of that. And if you want to find work, guys, in this platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and enter your skill in this search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like yours. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.